The Silhouette Heat Pen lets you add stunning foil details to your projects. By transferring heat transfer foil onto your material, you can create eye-catching designs with ease. For safe and proper use of this tool, follow the instructions in this video. Open the box and pull out the heat pens, the gold and silver foil, and the masking tape. To begin using the heat pen, we will need to insert it into the machine. The heat pen is compatible with the Cameo 5, Curio 2, and the Portrait 4. Insert the foiling heat pen into the proper carriage. Use the correct adapter if necessary. In Silhouette Studio, go to the Send tab, and you should receive a prompt to turn on the heat pen. You may also turn the heat pen on and off by pressing the thermometer button here. Turn it on. It should take about 3 minutes for the pen to fully heat up. While the pen is heating up, let's prepare our material. Place foil shiny side up over the surface. Secure with the provided tape or a low-tack tape. Be sure that the foil lays flat and is not loose on the material. Create your design in Silhouette Studio. To fill the design, you will need to go to the Specialty Tools panel and select Heat Pen. From here, you can select a lined concentric circle, crosshatch, or a spiral embossing pattern. You can also adjust the spacing and the angle of these patterns. This is an optional step if you choose to fill in your design. Once your design is ready, go to the Send panel. Select the design, and in Carriage 1, be sure to select No Action or No Cut. In Carriage 2, select your material and select the foil action. If you get the warning, Setting Not Found, we may need to create the material to foil. Select More, click the plus sign in the bottom right-hand corner. Select your machine. Select Carriage 2, press the plus sign, and add foil. You can change and adjust the standard settings here based on the material you are foiling. You may also give the new material a name. Now we can go back to the main setting and find our new material. Make any final adjustments and we are ready to start foiling. Once we have the settings, we can test. A test is important whenever you try adding foil to a new material. We recommend that a test be made the first time you use any new material. To make a test, load your material into the machine and click Test. Subsequent tests can be made in different areas of the media by using the position arrow keys to reposition the pen before clicking Test again. Based on the success of the test, you may want to adjust the settings. Once the settings are correct, press Send. Once the machine is done, remove the material from the machine and lift up the foil to see your beautifully foiled design. You now have a way to create beautiful custom works using gold or silver foil. We hope these instructions help you get your new heat pen set up and start creating works of art.